data into efficiency. So let me start with a quote. The future belongs to those who learn more skills and combine them in creative ways, like Robert Greene said. So AI is the perfect embodiment of this, combining data skills and operational powers. Businesses that innovate with AI are not just participants, they're actually shaping the future. So the best way to predict the future is to innovate it, as Alan Kay said. Around 30% can be saved. It's an average saving time when AI is employed to handle especially repetitive tasks. So AI doesn't just streamline tasks, it's a supercharger to them. A conclusion from our side is imagine running an organization where mandate tasks vanish, prediction and crystal ball clear, and every process is turbocharged. That is not science fiction. That's today's AI advantage. And if you're not plugged in yet, remember, it's not magic, it's data, and it's the wand. Sure, first and foremost, AI is bridging technology and humanity. It's not about the tools, but how you see them. This encapsulates AI's role. It's not just a tech tool, but it's transformating forces. 7 out of 10 educators, for example, believe that AI can play a pivotal role in personalized learning, what actually also is supporting one of the SDGs, the Sustainable Development Goals of the UN. So while algorithms give AI its brain, it's humanity that gives it soul. In the dynamic landscape of business innovation, AI isn't merely a computer, it's the catalyst merging technological capabilities with human-centric solutions. It's not solely about AI's computational powers, but its capacity to drive strategic, ethical, and people-oriented outcomes. When technology aligns with business goals while enjoying humans' values, that's AI's true competitive advantage. First, I would like to say ethical AI requires transparency and especially accountability. In the end, it's not about the technology, it's about the ethics and the values that bring us to the technology. There is no exception. With great power comes great responsibility, as Voltaire said already. AI offers immense power, but it must be wielded judiciously. It's really about how technology and the human are coming together. Some numbers, like 3 out of 4 tech experts, stresses the importance of continuous monitoring of AI systems for biases. So as we always say, at the end of the day, it's not the technology that is biased, it's us, the human being, because the data comes from our side. So for me, it's a very strong statement, what I like to say, now we have the chance to unbias the bias. So in a world of fast forwarding with technology, the true north for businesses is their moral compass. It's not just about what AI can do, but what it should do. And our businesses navigating this brave new world with ancient beacon of ethics and responsibility illuminates their path. After all, in the story of AI, humanity and integrity should always be the heroes. Demystifying AI, driving responsible action. I think this is a very important point. Ignoring AI in today's world, it's actually like refusing to adopt the internet back in the 90s. So if we look again at some numbers, what people telling us, so 8 out of 10 audience members felt more equipped to embrace AI in their professional lives after our discussions. So our talks aren't just about AI's code, bits and bytes, they're more about its soul. We don't just deliver speeches, we ignite sparks of curiosity, understanding, and inspiration. So our intention is for everyone to walk away not just informed, but transformed. Together we can make it happen, and I think the share for success what is the DNA of Andy and myself and SwissCognitive, This is what brings everyone further.
Embrace AI or risk being left behind. Or as Wayne Gretzky say, you miss 100% of a shot you don't take. Business miss 100% of AI opportunity they don't pursue. In 2021, numbers of connected devices worldwide surpassed already 50 billion. Each is a source of data, and AI is the tool to mine that goal. Businesses that implement AI efficiently can expect up to 2 times growth in the certain key performance area over those that don't do this. AI isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Think of it as electricity of the 21st century. Either you drive with AI or you get driven out of the market. So remember, every byte of data you ignore, someone else is turning into $1. Tomorrow's leaders collaborate with AI. I would like to quote Henry Kissinger. The task of the leaders is to get his people from where they are to where they have not been. In the age of AI, this journey is both technological and philosophical. 60% of modern organizations believe that understanding AI will become a fundamental leadership quality within the next decade. The AI era doesn't just demand a new kind of leaders, it crafts them. In the unfolding chapter of AI narratives, leaders aren't just spectators, they are protagonists. It's the tale where the technology meets visions, algorithms intersect with ethics, and where the age-old wisdom of leadership embrace the cutting-edge insights of AI. The challenge? Not just lead, but to involve, adapt, and inspiring in an ever-changing AI landscape. In the symphony of the future, AI is a note, but humanity is the music. Empowering people by sharing knowledge around AI use cases across industry, especially my vast experience as a leader in transformative times. Our goal is to unleash the power of AI in their businesses.